Modular Solutions was founded in 1996 in Arizona and has been rapidly growing since then to serve clients throughout the Southwest for design-build projects. Join us as we help you discover a superior way to build. Here at Modular Solutions, our mission drives everything we do. We are committed to providing our clients with innovative construction technologies built in an accelerated manner. Our services include pre-construction, architectural design, fabrication, permitting, remodeling, relocations, site work, and installation. Our full-service in-house team of engineers, architects, and highly trained on-site installation team will take your vision from pre-construction design and planning through installation and warranty closeout. Our portfolio includes modular buildings, slab-on-grade concrete floor prefab buildings, steel buildings, and M-panels. We offer attractive lease and finance lease packages. We are based in Phoenix and currently serve satisfied clients in Arizona and across the greater Southwest. No project is too challenging. Our team has buildings for educational learning centers, healthcare facilities, office spaces, retail sales centers, guard shacks and enclosures, and even custom IRC residential homes. We guarantee that our solutions stand out for their quality, sustainability, and outstanding design features. We have achieved this confidence because our goal is bigger than just constructing buildings. We are crafting environments tailored to the unique demands of our clients, from residential living spaces to custom commercial structures, and everything in between. Where can you use our services? The answer is simply anywhere and anytime. Modular Solutions is there to help schools build a fantastic learning environment, businesses seeking efficient office space, medical facilities including highly specialized imaging suites, retail car lots or sales centers, safety guard shacks and equipment enclosures, governmental agencies, military bases needing secured lockdown space, offices or swing space, community centers and places of worship. Our buildings are custom built to endure the extreme heat of the desert and the severe wind and snow of cold climates. We have saved the best part for last. We strongly advocate sustainability. By incorporating green options and reducing our carbon footprint, we not only adhere to our commitment to the environment but also ensure the best value for our clients. Our team is excited about educating our clients about all the benefits of prefabricated off-site construction and how, in every regard, it truly is a superior way to build.